On Tuesday, Steve Smith-led Rajasthan Royals and MS Dhoni's Chennai Super Kings played out an enchanting encounter which will go down in the history of Indian Premier League as a battle of sixes. After registering a comfortable triumph over defending champions Mumbai Indians in their opening fixture of IPL Season 13, Dhoni and co were humbled by a ruthless Royals side that remained on top of their opponents without the services of the key campaigners Ben Stokes and Josh Buttler. Labelled as the overwhelming favourites, the Chennai Super Kings crossed swords with the rejuvenated Royal sides at the monumental Sharjah cricket ground, which is famous for its small boundaries. Keeping the dew factor in check, skipper Dhoni won the toss and asked Royals to bat first at Sharjah. Accepting the opportunity with both hands, Australian talisman Smith surprised everyone by promoting himself to open the innings with young talent Yashasvi Jaiswal. The 18-year-old had a promising start, but the Indian southpaw failed to pull off Devdutt Padikkal as he went panicking for a paltry score. Samson went berserk and smoked several maximums when Dhoni brought Piyush Chawla and Ravindra Jadeja into the attack. Talking about the Samson six-hitting exhibition, the stylish batsman effortlessly smashed 9 sixes in his 74-ball 32. If you scroll Twitter, you will see how fans joked about Lungi Nigdi and Piyush Chawla scoring 50s as two of the most economical bowlers in IPL went for plenty. While Nigdi conceded 56 runs in 4 overs, spinner Chawla leaked 55 in high-scoring thriller at the Sharjah Stadium. Spinner Chawla became the second T20 bowler to leak more than 46 runs in his first 12 balls. Jofra Archer's late flourish in the final over was a sucker punch to the CSK. Arguably one of the most deadly bowlers across all formats, Archer produced an all-round show for the Partisans. The Englishman clobbered 4 sixes of Nigdi in the final over and remained unbeaten on 27 after facing just 8 deliveries. Archer also came up with an all-important wicket of South African batsman Faf du Plessis in the 19th over. Once again, the match umpires made headlines in the cash-rich league. This time, the officials hogged the limelight for wrongly declaring Tom Curran out during Royals innings. Curran was given out by match umpire Chettihodi Shamsuddin in the 18th over. However, Shamsuddin later asked the TV umpire to take the final call after discussing his verdict with square leg umpire Vineet Kulkarni. Later, Curran was adjudged not out, which clearly irked Dhoni a bit as the umpire's decision was overturned. Later, last season, Dhoni had violated the player's code of conduct when he entered the ground before engaging in an intense argument with match officials during CSK's clash with RR. While Samson was hailed for tormenting the CSK bowling battery with the willow, spinner Rahul Tewatia silenced his critics with his celebration after single-handedly dismantling the CSK top order. Drawing first blood for CSK, Tewatia removed Shane Watson before dismissing Sam Curran and Ruturaj Gaikwad on the 2 successive deliveries. The spinner played an instrumental role in Rajasthan's first win over CSK since 2010. Tewatia returned with brilliant figures of 3 for 37 in 4 overs.